free dog treats, cat treats, and way more. Let me show you how. Hey guys, Sofia on Earth here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys this amazing app called Buddies. It is by the Blue Company, and I'm going to be showing you guys a little walkthrough in the app and how to use it and how you guys can earn free treats for your dogs and or your cats. So honestly, I'm just going to get right into the video because it is such a simple app, and I love this app so much. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you can see here's the Buddies app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Once I open it up, here is what you guys will see. Of course, your screen is going to be a little bit different, but here are my pets. Here's Ruby, my dog. Here's Daisy, my brother's dog. And here, you guys, you can refer friends and earn points, and you can earn up to 100 points for every friend who joins Buddies. You can go here and click My Pets, and then over here, you can go ahead and create and add some pets. As you see here, I have Ruby and Daisy. You can go ahead and add a pet. It's going to ask you information. You type in their name, and then it's just going to ask you more information about their diet and stuff like that if you want to put it in. I'm pretty sure you will earn up to 30 points per pet profile. I found out that you could actually post some cute things. I went ahead and did it, and I put right here January 11th at 8:41 p.m. We did some tricks to earn a delicious blue treat. And there's the little Ruby, and there are the blue treats. And you can post timelines about them. And then of course there's the profile, and it tells you all about the dog and stuff like that. That is it for the My Pets page. Now let's go over here to the Learn page. So right here on the Learn page, you can actually get a bunch of tips and stuff like that about puppies and just about dogs and how to celebrate birthdays and stuff like that. And basically here you can learn so much. Say you just got a new puppy and you need to learn more, or a cat too, and it'll tell you everything about getting a new pet, what you have to do, and tips like that. And these are definitely a lot of helpful articles that they have there, and they have so much more. So that is the Learn tab. So I went ahead and clicked connect, and look how cute this is. You guys can see other people who use the Blue app. A bunch of people use the Blue app, and you can go ahead and look at all of their posts that they post about their dogs or their cats too. They can interact with people and comment. You can like their posts. It is so cute. Now you have the shop page. So if you guys actually buy your products online, this is a perfect thing that you should change to and do, because you can get points for earning here, and it is free shipping too from the app. So you can get a welcome bundle for dogs for just $44.99, and you can get 200 points on this purchase. And with those points, you guys, you can redeem to get some free treats. And there are a bunch of options here, and everything here will be free shipping, and you will always earn blue points on your purchase when you purchase through the app. Like this one, you'll get 150, and then those points will add up, and then you can redeem and get some free treats. So a great example is right here. So I think it's on select product. It really depends. It's like random. In some bags I'll get them, in some bags I won't. I did receive one in here, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like and what you will be expecting. So of course you're going to open the bag, and you know, of course the bag is going to be full of treats. Sometimes it'll be at the top, sometimes it'll be on the bottom or in the middle. In this case, it was actually on the top of these treats, and it basically comes wrapped up like this, and it has the QR code and everything. So what I like to do is I like to open it because I think they're so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. My dog wanted to see what's up. She wants a treat. Okay, but then yeah. So as you so as you can see here, this is what one of the sides says. So it says Buddies. This is the app introducing a new experience from Blue, specially designed for pet parents. That's us. Find helpful tools and tips. Engage with our community. Ruby, earn rewards for being a great pet parent. Tells you the app, and then here it has a QR code. I'm sure you guys know how to scan QR codes, but it says scan now to earn points. Find codes and select Blue product to earn points and redeem for exclusive rewards. Now, if it's your first time ever using this, pretty sure the QR code will send you to download the app, but I'm gonna go ahead and scan the QR code and show you guys that right now. Alright, so an easy way you can do this is open your photo app on your phone, and then of course you can go ahead and lay it there, and as you can see, it'll send you to a link, so you can go ahead and click the link, and it'll lead you straight into the Blue app. Now there you go, success. Keep scanning all of your Blue purchases for even more rewards. So I scanned it, and this little cute notification came up. Now if I go here, I'm gonna click view activity and see how many I got. I got back 25 points for the Blue dog code, right? And then I'm back on the home page, and I want to show you guys up here, and go ahead and click your points, and here on my account, I scan one more product, I'll earn 2 times the points in my scans. It even tells you guys how you can earn points for each of those QR codes that you scan, like these little things over here, up to 250 points per scan. I'm gonna guess that some of them are worth like 50 or 75 or like 200 and stuff like that. I did only get 25 points, so if anybody does try this and get like more than 25 points per one scan, let me know, because that's actually really cool. And then over here it shows you how you can earn more points when you introduce your pet, invite your crew, shop blue bundle. You can add a timeline and you can earn 10 points per entry. Wow. All on their birthday they can get some points. You can refer a friend. Down here it even says that they're looking for more ways to make parenting easier and fun, and it looks like they'll come up with more ways to get more points. As you can see here, to see the activity, you can go ahead here and click view activity and it'll show you where and how you got the points, and then redeem. With those points you get, you can redeem all of these things. Now it looks like the highest is 2,500 points, which is for either the kitten or the dog bundle. You can get a bunch of cute things for just 2,500 points, and it is free shipping. Oh, it tells you right here where you can get, that was a toy, but it tells you here what you can get with the bundle, and it is so cool. If you guys are interested, you can definitely check that out. There's even a dog one. Look, those are piping bags. Gives you ingredients and how to make some pet icing. That is so adorable. And here is this. So I do have enough points, but I actually am going to want to save the points for 2,500 to get the big thing, because I'm more excited about that. To get some points, be sure you just click redeem and they'll probably deduct your points and then just ask for your shipping info. It is free shipping, free everything. You just use your points to redeem some free cat or dog treats or even dog food or the bundle. And yeah, in my rewards activity, I have a total of 610 points. Let me show you guys the history. January 1st, I created a profile and they gave me 200. And on my first blue product scan, you guys, I got 300 points. 3,500 points into your account. And the first reward you can redeem is actually 600 points. And then here, I got 25 points for my first scan. Now, I did find my other one. I don't know if I should be keeping these, but I just think it's actually really cool, so I think I might keep them and collect them. Then I got 25 points for my first scan. I created a profile for Ruby. I got 10 points. Then I added some more information about Ruby into the profile, about her wellness and about her diet. And I created a profile about my brother's dog, Daisy, who is Ruby's best friend. I wanted to add that into my family. And I got a total of 30 points for Daisy for adding diet info, adding her own profile, and wellness info. And then, like I just showed you guys, I got 25 points for the scan. And because of those 25 points, I finally hit 610 points. That is it for this buddies tutorial. Hopefully this covers everything about this app. I love this app so much. I just started using it just to be able to get more points back, stuff like that, on Ruby's favorite snacks, and you can even get like free treats and that stuff. I think that's an amazing thing that Blue has done. So if you guys want to sign up, I will definitely leave the link down below. Of course it'll be my link, and I will get 100 points per referral. So if you guys do sign up with my link, I would really appreciate it. Let's get Ruby that dog bundle, and if we do reach that, I will definitely post it, and I will post a video, a little cute video of us getting our bundle and basically how it's gonna work out and stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments about this app, I can definitely try to answer them for you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I really do hope you guys sign up for this app. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!